Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Lauren, and today I'm recreating this blue-green pastel-y kind of look today using the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy. And I know it's not spring and summer yet, but I'm just so excited to use like these types of colors for eyeshadow looks, so I hope you don't mind watching it. And I'll create more when it gets towards spring and summertime. But this look was actually really quick and easy to do, so if you want to see how I created it, then just keep on watching and I'll get right into it. Alright guys, so this eye is done, and this eye I just put on a thin layer of concealer, and I did not set it so that these are going to be able to stand out more because they are so light of colors. And I'm using the Morphe 35i Icy Fantasy today. And the first shade I'm going to be going into is this shade right here called Echo. And I'm taking that on this fluffy brush here. And this is going all in my crease. This look is actually going to be really easy to do. The next shade I'm going to go into is this one right here called Chill Thrill. I'm first taking it on this same fluffy brush and putting it in my crease too. Alright, next I'm going to take that same shade first on this little brush here and packing that into the inner and outer corners. Actually, instead of using a brush, I'm going to use my fingers. I feel like these colors show up more if you use your fingers. And we're going for a really soft and blended look anyways, so it won't really matter. Alright, and once that's on there, we're going to go one shade darker. Taking this shade called Into the Blue. I'm putting that right beside this color on the inner and outer corners. Not going as far in the middle. Perfect, and then wiping that off and going back into the other one is to mix these two together. Alright, and now for the middle. Let's see what these are called. We're going to first go into this shade called Dazed, and then we're going to go into this shade called Dahlia right on top of it. So taking Dazed first on my finger, putting it right in the middle. And then taking Thalia on my finger, putting that right on top of it. This color just has more shimmers in it that really make it pop. And then with this brush, I'm going to go into the two darker colors. We use the two bluish colors. Put that under my lower lash line. And then going into that Thalia color on this little tiny brush here. putting that in my inner corner. Now I'm going to put on some mascara and lashes, and I will be right back with the finished look. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed watching, and as you could tell, it was pretty quick and simple, just overall pretty easy. And so I hope you enjoy watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!